As time was running out, people made last-minute decisions to evacuate ahead of the Category 4 hurricane expected to hit just south of Tampa, threatening much of Florida. Hurricane Milton's outer bands slammed into the coast by Wednesday afternoon, darkening skies, whipping winds and stirring waves in Tampa Bay. Residents clutching backpacks, sleeping bags and pets rushed to emergency shelters across the state. The eye of the storm, among the most powerful in the Gulf of Mexico, is forecast to make